Versus Saban Amin, Electoral Commission. Election Petition Appeal number 93 of 2016. Agitating number 13 of that decision. The elections, while quoting Section 1 of the Parliamentary Elections Act, indicated that a registered voter means the person whose name is entered on the voters register. Your Lordship, at point number 25 of the same decision, I will not provide this authority report. At point number 25 of the same decision, the Lordships held that it is not enough to merely state that someone is a registered voter. A person is supposed to extract the relevant page of the voter's register and present it as evidence. My Lord, I'll come back to that decision later. I want to first take you back to the petition. My Lord, in the petition before you, the petitioner states that she is a registered voter. And indeed, she discloses the voter's registration number. And attaches an extract of the voter's register, which is at page 7 of the petition. My Lord, whereas this is not certified, whereas this code is not certified, from the balance of probabilities, it can be said that she is a registered voter. And I also want to submit to you, my Lord, that it appears that by the time the petitioner and the lawyer has prepared this petition, they were partially aligned to the provisions of the law. And that's why she attached an extract of our voters register. But this is what the Lordship said. By virtue of the provision of Section 1 of the Parliamentary supporting the election petition, 500 persons supporting the election petition. 11. There appears names in numbered columns and rows. My Lord, in the first row there is a number. The second one there is name. The third one there is name. And I want to assume that that is the name number. In the fourth one there is card number. And I want to suppose that that is the card number of one's national identity card. My Lord, on the fifth one there is village. Seventh one, 60th one, my lord, there is voter number, and the 7th one, there is signature. Your Lordship, when you go through all these pages up to page 57, the heading is the same. Signature supporting election petition against Miss Namtaba Ida Elios, Kayunga District 2021. That's the heading. And my lord, they are segmented in those different rows as I've indicated. Your Lordship, in the entire petition that is presented before this court, none of the persons whose names are indicated in this document is indicated to be a voter in Kayunga District. None of them, my lord, has attached the national voters card. None of them, my lord, has indicated the polling station at which he or she casts his or her vote. And none of them, my lord, has attached an extract from the voters, from the national voters register, where his or her name appears to confirm that he is a registered voter. And actually, my lord, most surprisingly, that all these names represent faceless persons. None of them has even attached, not even a local council one identity card. They remain anonymous persons. My lord, from the case of Odo of Tabana, the first one, Otada, even if they had attached their national identity card, at least for God to know that they exist somewhere, they are not fictitious persons. That would not have been sufficient to satisfy the requirements of section 60, subsection 2B of the Parliamentary Elections Act. But also surprisingly, my lord, as court entires, for instance, at page number 1, it appears that one person sat down and wrote down the names. And that handwriting is consistent on the whole page and different from the handwriting on page number 2. That is at page number 12. At page number 12, another person, my lord, also sat down and filled in the information. My lord, also when the court goes to page number 13, the same thing appears. At page number 14, also a consistent handwriting for that page by one person, not different persons, my lord, writing in their names. At page number 15, my lord, it appears to have two different signatures, two different handwritings, two persons writing on that page. At page number 16, consistently one person writing. And page number 16, my lord, and page 17, it is one person. The handwriting is consistently the same. At page number 18, another person now writes. And the claim is that the petition is supported by signatures of voters. My lord, the case of Simon Peter Chinyera, apply equally to election petitions. And my road you find these documents and one proving that discussed in detail in the case of this case also emphasizes that there should be strict proof that one is a registered or any relevant page of the same and the signature supporting is and I've highlighted the relevant pages my road in that decision at pages number 15, pages number 15, 16, 17 and 18. But when I was in by'ebyokulonda kimanyiddwa bulijjo nti abantu baba n'ebizibu bingi mu bintu by'ebyokulonda. Abamu emirundi mingi nnyo abantu babeera aggrieved politically. Omuntu n'avaawo n'awulira nga yennyamira okubanga akalu kakoze eki kamukubye. Naye tubeeramu ne bannafukibwanyizi bangi nnyo abaagala okujja mu kkooti okwonoona ebiseera by'abantu nga baleeta emisango egitaliimu nsa. So tuwakanya omusango guno guli mu kkooti kubanga omuntu yaguleeta agamba mulonzi. Naye bw'oba oleeta omusango mu kkooti ogw'omulonzi olina okubeerako n'emikono 5,000 egy'abantu abalonzi mu kitundu ekyo byoyagala owaabe. Kati ffe twatuna mu mpapula ezaaleetebwa mu kkooti tetulabako mulunzi no yadde n'omu ateekayo petitioni eno. Tulaba bulabi muntu yatula wansi n'atandika okugenda ng'awandiika lisiti y'abantu be bye yajja mu mutwe n'aleeta mu kkooti naga nti bano bakola ki tebasapootinga petitioni ye. Kakati tumubunyako mu kkooti era nga tusaba kkooti omusango egoberewo bunnambiro kubanga tewaliwo nsonga lwaki kkooti eno n'ebiseera byayo mu kifo kyandibadde wulyemu emisango emirala egirimu ensa ate tugenda okutandika okuwulya emisango gy'abantu abalala abalumibwako obulumi bw'okuba nti akalulu kaabakuba. Tula wansi oluusi abamu abaluzinza akole bagenda ne banoonya abantu abo ne babakozesa n'atula wansi n'akompilinga lisiti amugamba tugende mu kkooti n'amala gateeka tugende tumunyenyenye tugende tumutawaanye. Kati ebyo tugezaako okugadinga mu kkooti agenda mu kkooti nga bali sirias tuwaddemba okugendanga mu kkooti n'awa bakubula ensonga naye ate omuntu agenda mu kkooti kwonna biseera bya kkooti ne bakugamba jangu n'abantu 5,000 naye nga abantu 5,000 tebakola ki tebaliiyo abantu 5,000 gwe watudde wansi n'ogenda ng'owandikawo amannya g'oyagala.
Nawe okitegeera kiki kirina okukolebwa ng'olwopootya abalonzi 5,000 baasayininga petitioni oli naddira siginicha ye n'agamba nva ku kyalo Kirindi ne siginicha ye esoma Kirindi. Kakati bw'otunuulira akatabo kaabwe akalimu omusango omu ku baasayininga tinata bave mu Parliament agamba nti nva ku kyalo Kirindi ne siginicha ye esoma Kirindi. Awala waliwo unable to sign ng'eyo siginicha ye. Toyinza gamba nti siginicha yange bagiyita unable to sign. Ekirala tewalaga polling station kubonera. Okitegeera n'olwekyo empaaba yaabwe ngemu ebituli bingi olw'ebituli ebyo nga lwe wange bwanyonyodde ebeera incompetent terina bisaanyizo kubeera mpaaba eri ekwatagana amateeka ag'ebyokulonda. kubanga register buli voter oba buli mulonzi mwe bamuwandiika tebagitaddeko. So tulina kikiro kitwala omunaku nga teyempaaba. Empaaba eriko abalonzi abatamanyiddwa gye bava gye balondera, signature zaabwe zirimu ebituli, neyawandiika amannya olaba nga muntu omu yatuulanga n'agawandiika. Kitegeeza nti n'abali mu mpaaba eno bandibanga tebamanyi nti nno amannya gaabwe gali omwo. Naawe gyali gwe bw'olaba nabadda n'obwa nabadde bwe asobola okusasula looya kale fe abamumanyi tumumanyi n'olwekyo tubamanyi ababiri mu bulungi. Yes.